In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain to Ecwid step by step. Whether you're starting fresh or migrating an existing domain, this guide will walk you through the process smoothly. So, let's get started without any further ado. To begin, you'll first want to head over to your Ecwid control panel. This central hub is where you manage your online store, making it an integral part of setting up your domain. You can access it by logging into your Ecwid account from any web browser. Once there, you'll notice a navigation panel designed to help you manage various aspects of your store. Next, look for the Domain section in your control panel. You'll find it listed under the Website tab. This feature enables you to manage and connect domains to your Ecwid store, ensuring your customers can easily find your storefront on the web. Clicking on Domain takes you to the settings where we can start linking your domain. Now, you'll want to connect an existing domain to your site. This is an essential step because it means your personalized domain will link directly to your store, giving it a professional edge and making it memorable for your customers. In this section, you'll be prompted to enter your existing domain name. Make sure you type it correctly with no room for error, as even a slight typo can lead to issues down the road. At this point, it might ask you to verify ownership of the domain. Usually, this involves updating DNS records with your domain provider so that they point to Ecwid servers. Most domain registrars have a clear page dedicated to managing DNS settings. Locate your DNS management area and follow Ecwid's instructions carefully. The changes can take some time to propagate around the internet, so be patient. A tip to minimize downtime during this process is to update your DNS settings during off-peak hours. That way, if it takes a little time for changes to be fully visible across the web, it hopefully impacts as few visitors as possible. After updating your DNS settings, return to the Ecwid control panel, where you should now see a verification option. This lets Ecwid confirm the domain is correctly pointing to your store, finalizing the connection. If you see an error, double-check your DNS changes to ensure everything was entered as required. Before we wrap up, remember that keeping your domain registration active with your provider is crucial as it ensures there's no disruption to your online presence. With your domain successfully linked, your customers can visit your store directly, experiencing seamless browsing and shopping. And there you have it. You've now connected your domain to your Ecwid store. I hope you found this guide helpful and clear. Feel free to reach out